This motorcycle has been sitting here, abandoned, for years. Rain, sun, rust, completely forgotten. Most people would call it scrap, but today we're bringing it back to life. And at the end, we're going to try to ride it. No seat cover. Tank eaten by rust. Engine completely seized. Even the wheels barely move. How long has it been here? No one knows. But one thing is clear, this won't be easy. Comment below right now, restore it or leave it. Back at the workshop, the real damage becomes obvious. Fuel tank smells like old varnish. Carburetor clogged solid. Electrical wiring brittle and cracked. And the engine? It won't turn at all. That means one thing, full teardown. Every bolt fights back. Penetrating oil. Impact driver. Heat. Some bolts snap instantly. The exhaust pipe crumbles. The chain is frozen solid. But slowly, piece by piece, the motorcycle comes apart, and underneath all that rust, there's still potential. Cylinder head removed. Inside, rust on the piston. Cylinder walls scarred. Valve stuck. This is bad. Water must have entered the engine. At this point, most restorations stop, but we keep going, because sometimes engines surprise you. Rust removal bath. Wire brushing the frame. Sanding the tank down to bare metal. Engine parts cleaned carefully. New piston rings installed. Valves freed and reseated. Gaskets replaced. Slowly, metal starts shining again. The transformation is real. Fresh primer. Glossy paint applied to the tank. Frame resprayed. New cables. New chain. New tires. Engine reassembled carefully. Bolts torqued to spec. Now it doesn't look abandoned anymore. It looks ready. Fuel added. Battery connected. Carburetor adjusted. This bike hasn't run in years. Before we hit the starter, do you think it will fire up on the first try? Or are we about to discover another problem? Starter pressed. Engine cranks. Nothing. Adjust choke. Try again. Crank. Cough. Almost there. And there it is. That raw motorcycle sound. After years in a field, it's alive. Smooth throttle. Clean exhaust note. No strange noises. From abandoned rust to riding machine again. This motorcycle was left to decay. But with patience, skill, and a little belief, it rides again. If you want to see more abandoned machines restored from the dead, hit subscribe, because next time, we're restoring something even worse.